You're human, Ashley.
To be human again? This human again? That's from the Beauty and the Beast. Hey guys, Ashley Moore, 4-H program assistant in Kentucky Extension Service. How many of y'all seen a hot air balloon rise? What happens is convection, just like an oven. Heats up, temperature rises, and causes the balloon to rise. It has a flame inside of it. When the molecules from the heat start to expand in the balloon will lift up. For this little project, we're going to make miniature hot air balloons. Let's make sure we are outside, make sure you do have parental supervision because we will be using flames. For safety reasons, let's cover our surface with some aluminum foil. You'll need a pair of scissors, a lighter, and a tea bag. Okay? What you want to do is you want to cut the top off your tea bag. Set that part to the side, and we're going to empty the tea out of the tea bag. Because we just need the tea bag itself. This is going to act as our hot air balloon. Now we want to cut about a quarter of it off. Okay? Now make it circular. Kind of puff it out a little bit. Place it on your surface. And now we're going to light it. As the molecules heat up, we start to move around and lift up your miniature hot air balloon. Hope you guys enjoy this little activity. Try it at home. Video it, send us pictures. Make sure you like, share, and comment with Kentucky Extension Service. Thank you guys.